In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create text t-shirt designs on Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean text-based t-shirt design exported as a transparent PNG, ready for printing or upload to your store. First, open Canva. If you're on the home page, you'll see the main dashboard with your recent designs and a Create a Design button at the top. Click Create a Design. This opens Canva's design size options. Select T-shirt template or custom size. If you choose the T-shirt template, on Canva loads a T-shirt canvas with a visible print area, which helps you keep your text in a safe zone for printing. If you choose custom size, use the dimensions required by your printer or platform, then create the canvas. Click Text and add a heading or text box. You'll find text on the left sidebar. Choose. Add a heading for a bold starting point, or add a text box if you want something smaller. A text layer appears in the center of your canvas. Type your t-shirt phrase or slogan. Click inside the text box and enter your words exactly as you want them to appear. Keep it short and clear for maximum readability on a shirt. Choose a font that fits your style. At the top toolbar, open the font menu and scroll or search for a font that matches your concept, whether it's bold, sporty, vintage, or minimal. Click the font to apply it. If your phrase has multiple lines, check that each line is legible and consistent. Adjust size, spacing, and alignment. Drag the corner handles to scale the text up or down. In the top toolbar, use letter spacing and line spacing to fine-tune how tight or open the text feels. Use the alignment controls to center the text within the text box. Now, position the text in the middle of the print area. Make sure nothing extends beyond the guidelines so it prints correctly. Apply effects like shadow, lift, or neon. With the text selected, click Effects in the top toolbar. Choose shadow for subtle depth, lift for a soft pop, or neon for a glow effect. Adjust the settings like intensity, offset, and blur until the effect is clear but not overdone. Check that your text remains readable against a transparent background. Strong contrast and simple effects usually work best for printing. Add elements or icons if needed. Click Elements on the left sidebar. Search for a simple icon or shape that complements your message and drag it onto the canvas. Keep it minimal so the text remains the focus. You resize and position the element near the text, and use the alignment guides to keep everything centered. If you add color to an element, confirm it contrasts well and won't disappear on different shirt colors. Preview the design on the t-shirt mockup. Use the preview option to hide guides and see the design as it would appear on a shirt. Check spacing, centering, and overall balance. If anything looks off, exit preview and make quick adjustments. Keep an eye on the print area so nothing important is cut off. Click Share arrow download. You'll find Share in the top right. Choose Download to open the export settings. Select PNG with transparent background. Set the file type to PNG and turn on transparent background. This removes the canvas color so only your text and elements print, avoiding any unwanted box around your design. Double-check that transparency is enabled before continuing. Click Download. Canva prepares the file and saves it to your device. Once it finishes, your text t-shirt design is ready to upload to your print provider or add to a product mockup. That's it. Your text t-shirt design in Canva is complete and exported with a transparent background, ready for use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.